How to flip and rotate images in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing we need to do is release our background layer and turn it into a normal layer so we can edit it, so we can flip and rotate the image. To do this, go to your layer panel and then go to the background layer and just double click on the background layer. Press OK and this will release it from being a background layer. Firstly, let's try to rotate the image 180 degrees. To do this, we go to Edit and we go to Transform, and we can go down to rotate 180 degrees. So rather than having a laptop at the bottom, it's now at the top, 180 degrees. If we wanted to flip the image, it's a very similar process. Go to Edit, Transform, and flip the image. So if we want to flip it vertically, we've now flipped that vertically. And if we want to get it back to where we were when we started, we can go to Edit, Transform, and flip horizontally. So now the keyboard is the way that it should be as a QWERTY keyboard. Another way you can rotate your image on the canvas is to use Free Transform. To do this, you go to Edit and go to Free Transform or Command T, and it'll bring up a box all the way around. Now, if you just want to do it 90 degrees or 180 degrees, if you hold Shift and then drag round the top of the box, it will constrain it so it doesn't get lost. And then you've done it 180. And when you're happy with the direction of the image, you can just press Enter. If you want to adjust it again, Command T or go to Edit Free Transform, and then I hold Shift, I've done it 90 degrees, press Enter, and now you'll see that it's rotate the image on the canvas. So this rule doesn't just apply to images, you could use it for anything like text as well. So if you've created a text layer, just go to Edit and go to Transform. You can also flip and rotate things 180 degrees. You can also do Free Transform by pressing Command and T, and you can then rotate the text to wherever you like it. You can also resize the text if you wish by dragging on the corners up and down. If you want to change the direction of the canvas rather than the image, go to Image, go to Image Rotation and go to 90 degrees clockwise, and that has now changed the direction of the canvas rather than the image itself. That's how to flip and rotate images in Adobe Photoshop. Hope you got something out of that tutorial. Consider subscribing, hit like, and I will see you in another video. Thanks for watching.